2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spots on my face. Too much acne to embrace the person behind them. Sits on my back with hands bright white, scarlet and black, in much too much an awkward place to put them. Pimples on my chest, probably there because I'm stressed about the people talking behind my back, about the spots on my face, the ones I wish I could erase, just like the so-called friends that like to tease me about them. Clearasil and freedom sitting in my bathroom, the spots on my face can confirm that they don't really work. Proactive solution deserves an execution for being an ablution that does nothing but smirk at me, cause I'm an acne-ridden teen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Countless times I've tried and tried, but my skin just ends up all dry, and I am left wanting to stay inside. But then one day I said, Charlie, it's not as bad as it could be. The early spots, it's not like you've died. Be a man, be who you are, but try not to pop them in case they scar, even though squeezing them is fun, fun, fun. Understand at the end of the day to put your hands down and say, okay, get out of the bathroom and lie out in the sun. Because I heard that helps. Clearasil and freedom sitting in my bathroom. The spots on my face can confirm that they don't really work. Proactive solution deserves an execution for being an ablution that does nothing but smirk at me, because I'm an acne-ridden teen. But I won't let that define me, because the people that mind don't matter, and the people that matter don't mind. So when all that pus goes splatter, you'll wipe it from your mirror and wipe it from your mind, cause you could try a dairy-free diet and drink 8 cups of water a day, but in the end your acne will still run riot, cause the hormones that cause them just won't go away. Clearasil and freedom sitting in my bathroom. The spots on my face can confirm that they don't really work. Proactive solution deserves an execution for being an ablution that does nothing but smirk at me, cause I'm an acne-ridden, somewhat smelly, kind of weird, but generally A-OK teen. That was alright. Go with that one.
You've just had the almost imponderable joy of watching Charlie Is So Cool Like, which makes you like cool.